This is a conventional load circuit. Now let's add a 5-pin push-button switch to it. Remember to turn off the power before wiring. This is very important. The wiring of a 5-pin button switch is divided into two parts, the switch circuit and the LED circuit. First, let's complete the wiring of the switch circuit. Then we will complete the LED circuit on the button 2. Make the indicator light on the button light up. Another wiring method is that the indicator light will only turn on after the button is pressed.